G'day, guys and gals. Look at that beautiful yellow. That relates to the king. That's the king's flower.
The king flower, this one. Good morning, everyone. I am Susi Kruger and Mr. John Kruger. Welcome to our channel.
My wife is not really Susie Kruger. She is Madame President.
Yes, I am. I am the boss of the house.
You're the boss of the world.
I am the boss of you, Mr. Kruger.
Well, we first went to the old machine technician that used to repair all our machines and stuff. And the last two times we've been there, he's looked in the ute and said, no, I can't do it. So we figure they want to get rid of us, so we won't bother going again. I'm having trouble separating the pump, but I guess we'll get there one way or the other.
Yeah, I think you can do it because you are never surrender easy.
No, I don't like surrender. Air pollution has improved. It certainly has. We don't need masks outside now. As you can see the individual trees on the mountains now. Until some arsehole goes and lights a fire again.
Yeah, they got a big fire if someone light the fire. Now it's better a lot. That is our village grocery shop. That is today she not have the one you want, popcorn.
Yeah, it pissed me off. Pissed on my battery.
Yes, that's it. The temperature is at 36 degrees Celsius. And then after that, we are jump in the spa without the pump
And pants.
Okay, that this morning at 10 o'clock, we left to see the mechanic to repair the pump. It failed. He could not do the job.
Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to get it apart. I'm kind of having some ideas about it, but
And back home.
nothing seems like it's kind of working out at the moment. But we shall see what happens.
Jump in the spa, jump in the water without the pump.
Well, we won't get electrocuted that way. We'll put a bit of chlorine in there today.
That is good idea. It feel comfortable, feel cool in the water like that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, well, after lunch today, I'm sure we're going to be in there.
Yeah, after lunch normally about 3 or 2 o'clock or 3 p.m. in the afternoon. I prefer to get in there. It make my body adjust the temperature.
Temperature.
Yes, the temperature 36 Celsius degrees.
Temperature didn't get any better then.
Temperature or temperature?
Temperature.
Temperature.
Good enough.
Yes, I
Yeah.
try to practice my English.
All right. See you later, guys.
Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye now.
Yep. See ya.